everyone. I'm Jason Feckner.
And I'm Denise Henitka. Thank you for joining us tonight. A Moline business will keep its six-figure tax break after a judge rules there's nothing unconstitutional about it. Local lawmakers pushed for that tax-exempt status for Elliott Aviation to create more jobs and expansion for the Quad City company.
Tonight, the judge's decision is in, and News 8's Chris Miner reports on what some are predicting will be a test case for tax breaks.
Elliott Aviation in Moline has won round one and will keep its six-figure tax break. Judge Frank Fuhr ruling that the law passed to exempt Elliott from paying $220,000 a year in property taxes is constitutional.
Obviously, we were hoping it went in a different direction.
Derek Hanks is the attorney for the Coal Valley Volunteer Fire District. It will lose $15,000 a year because of the special exemption. The Moline School District, though, 10 times that, $150,000 a year.
You start to erode the tax base, it's going to fall on the general public. And of course, I think that's why I think as a community, it's an important case and one we hope, will go to the appellate court maybe for some reconsideration on it.
School Superintendent Dave Moyer didn't want to go on camera but issued a statement about the Elliott ruling, calling it disappointing, and questioned, quote, if legislation can be written for a single entity to avoid paying taxes in this state, where does this stop?
From our standpoint, okay, that sets precedent because a lot of other entities could come in and make the same arguments. Give us tax exempt status, we can bring in 100 or so more jobs.
Elliott obviously very happy with the decision, saying it allows the private aviation company to move forward with expansion and adding new jobs. The burden of proof in this battle was strictly on the school district, which hasn't said if it plans an appeal. In Moline, Chris Miner, WQAD News 8.
Thank you, Chris. Last year, Elliott hinted it might leave the Quad City Airport and head to Des Moines if it didn't get the exemption. In March, then, they announced the addition of 50 new jobs here.
Well,